and the citric acid cycle. All I care about at this point is energy, potential energy, so I'm looking at ATP and NADH and that kind of stuff. So in the prep reactions, let's group them together with the citric acid cycle. So prep and the citric acid cycle. Did I make any ATP? Yeah, how many in both these together? 2. So I have 2 ATP here. Do I have any NADH? Yeah, how many? 8. And do I have any FADH2? 2. 2 FADH2. Okay. Is that okay there? So you see, I'm just transferring numbers into. I like this because it helps me. Now let's think about the electron transport chain. How many NADHs do I have coming into the electron transport chain? 8. Those right there. So I have 8 NADH. How many FADH2s do I have? 4. Yeah? Makes sense? You good so far? Everybody see it's just bookkeeping. Just I'm doing transferring things over. I'm on the theoretical side here. So what's my ATP in the electron transport chain that I'm going to get from 8 NADHs? 8 times 3 is 24 ATP. Right? How many ATP am I going to get from FADH here? I've got how many of these? 4, and I get 2 from each one, so how many? 8. So now let's count up our ATP. There's 8 plus 24 plus 2 plus 2. How many is that? Did I get my number? 36. Okay? You all right with me there? Now, the only thing that you haven't done is you haven't seen these specific steps where this occurs. You haven't seen the chemistry yet. We're just summarizing. How is this one different? Everything's the same except what's going to be different here. Yeah, here we're not going to do that, right? So here we're going to get glycolysis again. It's going to give us 2 ATP. It's going to give us 2 NADHs. And can I use them? Yeah, because I'm in a liver cell. You just have to trust me. I mean, you don't. Do I expect that you know why? No. Except you could intuit that, well, they must be expressing enzymes that allow them to receive those electrons somehow. So that would be the sort of teleological reason why. Okay, so that's that. So we're good with glycolysis. What about prep in the citric acid cycle? Everything's the same, right? So 2 ATP, 8 NADH, 2 FADH2. You okay with that? There. And then what about electron transport? How many total NADHs do we have now? 10. How many FADHs? 2. What's my total ATP here? 10 times 3 is 30. 2 times 2 is 4. So now you have 4 plus 30 plus 2 plus 2, 38. Okay. What was different? These two.